and my mom, I'm really happy that my mom wrote this book, and she's been writing teenage fiction, and I'm really proud of her that she's written 4 books. The book is amazing. It's about a teenager, yes, and Tanishq Sehgal, I can relate him to me. He's something similar to me, Tanishq Sehgal. I know that I don't have the might, I'm not brave enough, but I go on fighting with people, setting wrong things right. That's it, thank you.
Priyanka.
After the limitation is only a few words. That's a difficult thing for me to do. To say, yeah, I know. To say a few words is very difficult for a person like me who likes to talk non-stop. But firstly, it's the first time I've come for a book launch, so I feel very happy that somebody sees it on my face that I can read books. Because a lot of people used to think that ये पढ़ाई से बुरी बात होगा. So I feel very very happy. अभी मैंने पढ़ी नहीं है बुक, मैंने बहुत सुना है बुक के बारे में और आज मुझे मिली और मैं पढ़ूंगा भी. But Supriya is a great writer, and thank you Supriya, because आप जैसे writers हैं जो अच्छी books लिखते हैं. For people like me who used to hate reading, I remember till 1.5 years back I would come to Landmark and I would run away. जैसे मेरे friends यहाँ आते थे और मैं वापस भाग जाता था. And but अच्छा लगा, and I would really appreciate आप लोग सब book पढ़ें. And Supriya, this is your book. I hope कि आपकी जो 40th book का launch हो तब भी आप मुझे definitely बुलाएं. Alright. So I would love to be a part of that also. So thank you so much. Thanks. Yeah, I've already confirmed. अब आपके पास सबूत है और मीडिया के पास सबूत आ जाए तो वो कहीं नहीं जाता. तो अब आपके पास confirm सबूत है. Absolutely, I have to be there for your book launch. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you guys for turning up with such good numbers. I'll just take a lead from where Sonali left from on Supriya's writing. Well, if you, this is the 3rd book with us, and in between she wandered away a little and thankfully came back. So, but if you look at the writing and the way it has evolved over the years, the first one was something on supernatural drugs. It was some different genre of work. Post which came Gangsters Moose, which was a criminal thriller. And now here is something on teenage, teen fiction. And the genres are so different, because what we keep seeing with a lot of authors, once they get into something, the genres keep repeating themselves and never get out of one clone. So somebody writing mythology, they keep writing mythology till and so it was wonderful to read, to see a writer who has so much of bandwidth to write in so many different genres. So that's something I love about Supriya's writing in person. I hope all of you guys love reading this one and the other 2 books as well. And do support the book.
Sonali, Manish, Swarup, even Neha, because Neha is best friend of Supriya, but she's friend of mine. Yeah, though she is young, she is friend. And the writing process of Supriya is unlike my writing process, because she is very methodical, she is a very disciplined writer. So I generally don't like to interfere in her style of or journey of writing. But I think I encourage her better. She will be a better judge, so she will tell you about my contribution or damage, whatever I done to her. But I like that she used a different form to write a book, and she is a fiction writer, so that is not my area of writing or reading nowadays, because
I generally read non-fiction and I write also non-fiction. But I wish her a great success and many more books to come. And congratulations, Sophia. And thank you so much, Sonali. Sonali, I am expecting so many books from you also, because you are a wonderful writer, but you are not, I think, not taking it seriously. It's a good profession. It gives money, fame, power, recognition, everything, you know. Give time, that's all. And Manish, thank you. You read a lot, I know. So you watch a lot, and generally people go by image, on-screen image. But Manish is Einstein inside, Einstein within. So take him very seriously in Landmark, especially. Thank you, Swaroop. You are always with us, and you are our inspiration, as well as you are our everything. Is your management side, yes, rest assured. And thank you, Neha. You are actress, as well as friend, as well as best friend forever. Thank you everybody. And Aditya Narayan, where is Aditya Narayan? Excuse me.
Providing aqua mineral water to all of us. Thanks a lot. Thanks.
यह है कि ये बुक 4 फ्रेंड्स के बारे में है। एक लड़का है जो बोर्डिंग स्कूल जाता है और उसकी जर्नी वहाँ से कैसे शुरू होती है, उसको फ्रेंड्स मिलते हैं वहाँ से ऑन द वे, और ही फॉल्स इन लव, बट ही डजंट रियलाइज दैट ही इज़ इन लव विद दैट गर्ल। फिर उसके बाद वो लड़की उससे बिछड़ जाती है, एंड देन ही मीट्स हर आफ्टर 10 years व्हेन ही गोज टू लंडन। ही ट्रेसेस द गर्ल back and she comes back into his life, and then it's like a circle come together where all the friends are together with him because he has helped them throughout this boarding days, and this is the time they can help him trace his love of his life. तो वहाँ से पूरा सर्कल हो जाता है कि they are best friends forever.
मराठी समोर निश्चितच मला असं वाटतं की टीनेज ही जी हा जो वयोगट आहे त्यांच्यासाठी म्हणून लिहिलं गेलेलं साहित्य खूप कमी आहे. त्यामुळे हे पुस्तक वाचताना फक्त टीनेजर मुलांनाच नाही, पण त्या टीनेजमधनं जी माणसं पास झाली आहेत त्यांना सगळ्यांनाच मजा येईल. मराठीत काय विचारलं तुम्ही मला?
यार आजकल बुक्स पढ़ने का काफ़ी शौक हुआ है. मैंने जैसे अभी बताया थोड़ी देर पहले, मुझे पहले बिल्कुल भी शौक नहीं, पर अब बहुत शौक है क्योंकि बहुत सारी स्क्रिप्ट्स भी पढ़नी पड़ती हैं, तो उस कारण शौक पड़ा है बुक्स का. एंड मुझे हर तरह की बुक्स अच्छी लगती हैं. आई थिंक जैसे पढ़ने का शौक है वो किसी एक तरह की बुक नहीं पढ़ता, मुझे हर तरह की बुक्स अच्छी लगती हैं. और फिलहाल तो आई थिंक अब मेरे एजेंडा आ चुका है, फटाफट जाके ये बुक खत्म करना.
थैंक यू. एनीबडी?
You have to sign copies, they are coming.
You have to sign.
You also, and Manish also.
श्योर यार, आप करो ना वैसे पहले साइन, आप साइन करके दो हमें.